I'd like to show you this simple press. This is an EMG 2HR manual press, and it's ideal for a range of small operations such as stamping, riveting, bending, pressing and crimping, amongst lots of others. It's a very easy press to use, and it's also very cost effective. There's a small screw here. By simply undoing this, you can take the punch out and change it for something that's suitable for your operation. This is just a plain punch in here. So the new punch is just slid into place and the screw is tightened. It's very easy. If you look at the top of the machine, there is a screw which acts as a stop and changes the range of movement available. At the moment it's given quite a bit of movement, but if I adjust it slightly, like this, you will be able to see shortly that it reduces the amount of travel for the punch, and therefore you can regulate this for your needs. So I'm screwing it down, which will make the range of movement less. If I turn the press round, you can see there's two large bolts here. If I undo these, which is very simple, it allows the press to slide up and down in the slide, and this changes the shut height and allows you to adjust it for your needs. So there we are. It's a very simple, cost-effective press that's ideal for a very large number of applications.